Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you get Ynab Student Pack. So let's get started. Getting the Ynab Student Pack is super easy and definitely worth it if you're a student trying to get your finances in order. First things first, you must be actively enrolled in college or graduate school. It doesn't matter if you're full-time, part-time, international, or domestic, as long as you can prove you're enrolled, you're eligible. You'll need some sort of proof of enrollment, like your student ID, class schedule, transcript, or tuition statement. Anything official that includes your name and a recent date will do. Then, head over to Ynab's official student offer page, look for something like Free Ynab for College Students. Click on the Claim Your Free Year button. You'll be asked to select your country first if you're in the US. The system may be able to verify you automatically, and you'll get a link to activate your free subscription. If you're outside the US, or if the system can't verify you, you'll be asked to upload your enrollment proof manually or email it to their support team. Once your verification is approved, Ynab will send you a special invite link, and when you click that, your 1-year free subscription will begin. If you've already been using the 34-day trial, or if you're on a paid plan, you can still apply for the student pack and extend your access by a full year. Just follow the same steps using the same email address linked to your account. It's worth noting that this offer is available only once during your time as a student, so make the most of it. Also, if you subscribed through Apple or another platform, you'll need to cancel that first and switch to a direct Ynab subscription to use the free year. Ynab offers this free plan because they want students to build healthy financial habits early on before things like credit card debt or student loans spiral out of control. So if you're in school, take advantage of it. It's a great way to start budgeting with clarity and confidence without spending a single dollar.